Assalamu alaikum, sir. Sir, today my topic is a pillar of Islam, or sir, it's a charity, Hajj and Ramadan. I will let you discuss, sir, about Hadith, Ayat, Dua. The first Hadith I would like to discuss is don't get angry. As Prophet also say, don't be get so angry because we know that sometimes anger made you to commit wrong decision. The second hadith I would like to discuss is love your brother. Prophet also said, don't anything you choose for yourselves, choose the same for your bro. The third and last hadith is pillar of Islam. POI is basically the way you worship Allah, and there one five pillar of is prayer, charity, Hajj, Ramadan. Now let's come to Surah Hujurat. It is 49 surah in Quran and it is Madani surah. The basic moral of Surah Hujurat is to teach us basic names and repeat another and try out to hurt anyone. Thank you, sir.